there's definitely a number of ways that we're supporting both small organizations, fintechs, all the way to the larger end of town. Like one example I'd love to share is the work that we're doing with Starling Bank, where we've worked with them to essentially create a spend intelligence service. And what that means is that as an individual user of Starling, I can go into my app and pretty much through natural language, be that written prompting or voice enabled, I can ask them about my spend behaviors. So how much have I spent on TFL, on transport over the last week? Has that changed week on week over the last month? So things like that, I'm actually able to engage and better understand my spend behavior. And so that's something that's been pretty powerful that we've now rolled out in partnership with Starling Bank. Looking at the more kind of internal automation and back-end services, we've partnered with the likes of Liberis to create essentially an AI underwriting agent called Ada, named after Ada Lovelace. And that's massively helped their organization where they're going through a massive amount of underwriting claims and requirements. And so Ada now is able to come in and work in conjunction with their underwriters to assist them in their processes. And so that's reduced the kind of overhead of underwriters by 50%. It allows them to focus on more kind of critical knowledge-based work versus the more repetitive tasks that typically comes in insurance, underwriting, and things like that. So two kind of examples that are pretty exciting to highlight, and these are kind of probably more mid-tier fintechs, but those same practices can be applied to a much smaller fintech, and they're able to now scale with services like that versus needing to have 100 underwriters or a massive team to be able to provide that same level of service to their customers.